Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up the universal remote for your Samsung TV. For that, you just have to simply go through the first step in which you need to find the code for your model. So before you jump into the programming the remote, you need to find the code for your specific Samsung TV. You can try to find by using the methods listed above. The methods are you can check the back of the TV for the label with the model code, or you can even use the TV remote to navigate to the settings. In the settings, go to support and then select the option of about this TV. The model code will be displayed on the screen. After that, you just have to proceed to the second step in which you need to just power on and select TV. So you need to power your TV on, then press the TV button on your remote to start programming it for the Samsung TV. For reference, you can see the TV button on the GE remote below. So this is looking something like this. After that, you just have to press and hold the setup button until you see the red light appear. You can see what the setup button should look like in the picture below, that look like this. After that, you just have to start entering the code. So if the LED flashes twice, you have entered the correct code. If not, try another code from the list. So the list will be given in the description, so you can go through that list as well. So once the right code is entered and set, the red light might turn off. Now it's time to see if the remote is working. So you can try powering it on and pressing a few buttons to see how it responds. So this way you can set up the universal remote for your Samsung TV. I hope this video helped you out, and if it does, do let me know in the comment section and consider subscribing to this channel as well. Thanks for watching.